Now, did I have anyone in biology last year? Do you remember when we voted on the name for a snake? What's up, everybody? Thank you once again for joining me this week. Now, in addition to the main topic, which will be the first ball pythons to hatch here at 403 Fauna, I'm going to include mainstay segments that will be here for every episode. The first of which will be the Morph Market Pick of the Week. Second, Porkins Clip of the Week, because we got to support the big guy. He's the one who started it all. And lastly will be the Ball Python Shed of the Week. So I hope you guys could stick around and check it out and see these awesome babies that I just hatched out. So this week's Morph Market Snake of the episode, take a look at my save list here. It's a pastel leopard ultramel. The color and pattern on this guy is incredible. Take a look at that. He comes from Kyle Hoffman of Royal Ambassador Reptiles at a pretty affordable $950. So snatch him up before I do. So we're on day 55 here. I actually came home during my prep period because when I woke up this morning, I looked in and I thought I saw something different through this frosty pressing seal. So let's see if we have a pipper. And take a look at that. So we do have one of the eggs that has pipped right here. Still waiting on this one. I'm actually going to do an egg cutting on this one tonight. I was planning on doing one. I was debating on it all weekend whether I should cut today or not. And I'm so glad that this one kind of took that decision out of my hands. So I'm going to cut that one tonight because this one has pipped already. So stay tuned for that. I'm really kind of speechless right now, so I don't know what I'm going to say through this whole thing, but we got a peek at that little guy's nose, or girl, and pretty interesting pattern on the face. Kind of reminded me of spot nose, but there's no spot nose in this pairing. So I'm just going to cut it open a little bit more, and maybe we could get an identification of what we have in here. Now that pipped on its own naturally. So I'm just gonna very gently cut into it. Let's take a peek here. Wow, so looking at all the oranges there, I'm thinking calico. Now there's definitely yellow belly in here. Father was an ivory. So yellow belly calico. Black pastel is also in the mix. I'm just gonna shine a light on and see if we can get a little bit closer look at the color here. Yeah, so look at those oranges. Very nice. I don't think it looks black pastel. Let me actually cut a little bit more. Yeah, I don't think there's black pastel in there. So yellow belly, definitely. Calico, we'll see about it. Hammer her back there. And let's see what's in this next one here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a V-cut here, just so I have a flap that I could close down on it if it's just not ready to come out yet. There we go. Take a peek what we have inside. Oh wow. Okay. So that's black pastel, definitely. Yellow belly. There's his eye. So black pastel, yellow belly, definitely. Look at that crazy pattern, and possible calico. We'll see when it comes out. So yeah, I was really hoping to hit a black pastel yellow belly, and whether it's a male or female, I'll be holding this back because I do have a female pastel highway that I'd like to get black pastel into. So super cool. So next update will be when they're out of the egg. Okay, so it's been 24 hours. This is day 57 now. Let's check them out. I got a little sneak peek and saw that they were out already. So I'm gonna go ahead and set them up in their pre-shed box here. Oh my goodness. I don't know if the colors are coming out with that black pastel yellow belly, but man, look at the oranges on that thing. I don't know whether it's calico or not, but it looks amazing either way. Let's get a look at it. So black pastel yellow belly. Let's look at the belly on this thing. There's the head. It's a definite yellow belly. Not sure about the calico. Tending to think it's not. But the oranges are amazing on this thing. Man. Definitely a holdback. Here goes where the umbilical cord was. No more yolk, so it's all been absorbed. I'm gonna take a look at the other one. Okay, so this one looking like it's a straight yellow belly. Still really beautiful. I'm not gonna sex them at this time until they've shed out. Again, father was ivory, so they're both 100% yellow belly. Let's go ahead and set them up in there. Pre-shed box here, which I'm going to keep in the incubator. So all I have is some wet paper towels. These guys will not need to be eating until after they shed. They're still absorbing yolk at this point. So yeah, I'm really stoked about that black pastel yellow belly. It's amazing. I'm still not going to rule out calico on it. What do you guys think? I'm not going to rule out calico. Looks amazing, especially with all that orange. Mama was black pastel calico. She was calico. The white on black pastels don't really show up well, but they do whack the pattern out. This one definitely has some wacky pattern. So I'm gonna snap some pictures and put them back in the incubator. And next time we will see them is when they have shed. Thank you so much again for joining me this week. Now I am this close to 300 subscribers on YouTube, which is just mind-blowing to me. I want to thank each and every one of you that have subscribed and check in with these videos every time. Next week I'll be checking out why you shouldn't be sleeping on pastels. There might be a new edition, we'll see. But thanks again for tuning in. Don't leave yet because you'll miss out on the fresh shed of the week. So guys, take care. Okay, the fresh shed of the week goes to Chloe, female piebald. Now she just celebrated her first birthday this month, and she was also featured in the previous video with her sister Noe on getting ball pythons to eat rats, and she is an absolute stunner. Just a straight up ball python, or I'm sorry, straight up piebald, but you can't go wrong with pies, right? Incredible.